Multiply by tens. What strategies can you use to multiply by tens? That's our essential question. Let's unlock the problem. Animation for a computer-drawn cartoon requires 20 frames per second. How many frames would need to be drawn for a 30-second cartoon? Well, what this actually means is the phrase 20 frames per second means 20 frames are needed for each second of animation. How does this help you know what operation to use? I think the word per second is going to tell us we need to multiply. So let's use place value. That's one way. Well, we can multiply 20 times 30. You can think of 30 as 3 tens, right? So 20 times 30 is like saying 20 times 3 tens, which equals 60 tens or 600. Remember, the associative property states that you can group factors in different ways to get the same product. Use parentheses to group the factors you multiply first. So another way is to use the associative property. You can think of 30 as 3 times 10, right? Well, 20 times 30, you can think of 20 times 3 times 10. Or, it's the same thing using the associative property as saying 20 times 3 times 10. So, let's think about this. 20 times 3 is 60 times 10 is still going to be 600. So, 600 frames would need to be drawn. Compare the number of zeros in each factor to the number of zeros in the product. What do you notice?